Hey, this is Rick with Social Good Software. In this short demo, I'm going to be walking you through the process of how to review your list. Reviewing your list is pretty simple. We're just going to go through and see what the syncing process is going to do, just to verify that what we intended to do is what's actually going to happen. So if you go over into your data bridge, right now I'm just in visitors list. I'm going to click on widgets here. I'm going to hop over to my integration. This is the same process for any type of integration you're on. Right now, we're just looking at Active Campaign integration, but it's the exact same thing for MailChimp and Constant Contact. And essentially what you will see here on the left-hand side, you'll see these little arrows pointing back and forth. What this is telling us, what is actually going to happen. So in this case, we're actually going to be moving a contact from Ultra into Active Campaign. So this is this Jane32 email. So if I copy this email here, you'll see I have a contact inside of my Ultra system already. And if I look inside of Active Campaign, you'll see that contact is not currently here. Essentially, we just want to move that contact over, and this is what this is telling us here. Now, if it's your first time seeing this, you will see a lot of these green arrows pointing back and forth. And what that pretty much just tells you is what's going to happen. What are the updates that are going to happen on your behalf? And you can actually filter this down just by the update. So you can actually go to right here, filter operations right there, click on that. And then you'll show you just the updates it's going to do. So in this case, we just have one, but if you have many more, you'll see them all here. And then pretty much once you have reviewed that, then you can go ahead and enable your integration by going here, click enable integration and click save settings. And this will pick it up at 5 a.m. Every day and sync that list over. So in this case, we just have one contact we want to sync. So I'm going to just turn this off and I'm just going to run it manually. And you can do that by just simply clicking on sync data, and then that will schedule the data for you. And then that will go ahead and sync that contact over. Now, depending on the size of your list, this could take a few minutes or a couple of hours. So right now we're only syncing one contact over. However, if you had a list of thousands or hundreds of thousands of contacts, then you'll be syncing a lot more information. So as you can see here, this data sync is currently in progress. And what we're going to do here is we're just going to go ahead and let it sync and give it a few minutes for it to process. All right, it looks like that went ahead and completed. So if we head over here and we refresh here, you'll now see that Jane32. And if we click on the record, you'll see it brought in all the information. So that looks great. So that's pretty much all there is to reviewing the list and syncing the list. If you want to do it immediately, or if you want to wait till the following day, you can just enable it here. And that's going to go ahead and do it here for me. Once again, this is Rick from Social Good Software. Hopefully you found this video helpful. We're always looking to improve and make things better. If something was not clearly explained in this video, or maybe you just are still a little bit confused and have some additional questions that we didn't talk about in the video, don't worry, we're here to help. Please go over to Social Good Software /feedback. You're able to provide us feedback on this training. You're able to provide us feedback on the software. We're always looking to improve. So if you have any suggestions, please reach out to us. Again, socialgoodsoftware.com /feedback. You'll be able to go ahead and share your thoughts with us, and we're always happy to help.